Introduction. Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be exploring one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and it's often known as the ice giant due to its composition. In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at Uranus, from its discovery to its unique features and more. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy as we dive into the world of Uranus. Part 1, Discovery and Exploration. Uranus was discovered by the British astronomer, William Herschel, in 1781. At first, Herschel thought he had discovered a comet, but after observing it for a while, he realized that it was actually a planet. Uranus is the first planet to be discovered using a telescope, which was a huge milestone in astronomy at the time. Since its discovery, Uranus has been explored by several space missions. The first close-up images of Uranus were captured by the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1986. Voyager 2 revealed that Uranus has a pale blue color due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. The spacecraft also discovered 10 new moons and 2 new rings around the planet. In recent years, astronomers have continued to study Uranus using ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories. Part 2, Composition and Structure. As mentioned earlier, Uranus is often referred to as an ice giant because it's composed mostly of ices like water, methane, and ammonia, along with rocks and metals. It's the third largest planet in our solar system by radius and fourth largest by mass. Uranus has a unique feature that sets it apart from all the other planets in our solar system: it rotates on its side. This means that instead of spinning upright like a top, Uranus rotates on an axis that's tilted at an angle of about 98 degrees. This unusual tilt is thought to have been caused by a collision with another large object early in its formation. Part 3, Atmosphere. Uranus has a thick atmosphere made up mostly of hydrogen and helium, like Jupiter and Saturn. However, Uranus also has a significant amount of methane in its atmosphere, which gives it its pale blue color. Methane absorbs red light, which makes the planet appear blue to our eyes. Uranus also has some of the coldest temperatures in our solar system. Its upper atmosphere can reach temperatures as low as -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold has led to the formation of some fascinating weather patterns on Uranus, including large, bright cloud features and a series of dark, narrow bands that encircle the planet. Part 4, Moons and Rings. Uranus has 27 known moons, with the largest being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. These moons are mostly made up of rock and ice and range in size from just a few kilometers across to almost half the size of Earth's moon. Uranus also has 13 known rings, which are made up of tiny particles of rock and ice. The rings were first discovered in 1977 when Uranus passed in front of a star and caused a brief dip in the star's brightness. Since then, more rings have been discovered, and they are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Part 6, Challenges of Studying Uranus. Studying Uranus is not an easy task for scientists due to its distance from Earth and its faintness in the sky. Unlike planets like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus is not visible to the naked eye and requires a telescope to be observed. Additionally, the planet's tilt and its long orbital period, 84 Earth years, make it difficult to study over long periods of time. However, with the help of advanced telescopes and space missions, scientists have been able to learn more about Uranus in recent years. Part 7, Potential for Exploration. Despite being visited by only one spacecraft, Uranus holds great potential for future exploration. There have been proposals for future missions to Uranus, including orbiters and even landers that could explore the planet's moons. These missions could help scientists learn more about Uranus' unique features, including its tilted axis, weather patterns, and magnetic field. Additionally, studying Uranus could provide insights into the formation and evolution of the outer solar system. Part 8, Mythology and Cultural Significance. In addition to its scientific significance, Uranus also has cultural and mythological significance. The planet was named after the Greek god of the sky, Uranus, who was also known as the father of the Titans. The planet's moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Additionally, Uranus has been featured in popular culture, including books, movies, and TV shows. Conclusion. In conclusion, Uranus is a fascinating planet that holds many secrets and surprises for scientists to discover. Its unique features, including its tilted axis, icy composition, and cold temperatures, make it an exciting area of research for astronomers. While studying Uranus can be challenging, it holds great potential for future exploration and could provide insights into the formation and evolution of the outer solar system. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn more about Uranus.